Shisgi hadian ba New Trap National Liberation Council kala pentep bakal dep aibor ginong yalam banwan mikmat di keseng syaka miej ïakren ïasuk rengkat kicing dawa ba sarkar ka daiban pendikna bagi bawan mikmat kindan ka jingshngaiñ menteri rang ba kejala meklaya konrad kisang ma haka sautrek nailar arcar puar ulaong ba kadai ka kamram jok sarkar ban pendikna ay kata ulaong ba baro ki ban habwan syaka miej ïakren ïasuk kindan be ka jingshngaiñ bat baro kicing ïakren ki balai tai ki bala penpoi hadu ka ne khlepmat ulaong ru ba syan ka jing ïakren kan orlang bat community ba kicing mi kan long ba bha hagalai trek naila rajar puar ka HNLC kala pentep ba kala aibor vice chairman jongka uba aman bhalang jarwa u political secretary ba aristrowal thongni ba foreign secretary ba franco pardingdo ba kanthop arngot ki personal security officer kata u aibor lem marbanyang ba storji lingdo banwan mi khmat ye ka seng syaka miej ïakren ïasuk hapreng ka seng ba sarkar india lem ka sarkar jala ka seng kala ong ba ka jingshngaiñ ginong elam omdei ben pen ba ki dei ben long shngaiñ klem kanu ka jingma.
They have expressed their concerns on the security, and let me assure them and everybody that it is the duty of the government to ensure that the safety of each and everybody who comes for the talks is maintained, and all the discussions we have had in terms of the entire process has led to this moment, and we are hopeful that very soon the official talks will start. And this exercise has been going on for the last, many months, I should say. And I can't go into details about everything. But as I said, we are hopeful that the talks will start soon. And most importantly is that we also are positive that we will be able to come out with the successful talks. And we will do our best to do that, to reach that conclusion. But let me assure everybody that all the concerns that have been raised by the members of the HNLC, those concerns will be obviously addressed, and concerns in the sense the safety issues will be addressed, and we will ensure that all steps are taken to ensure their safety.